Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the best plumbing snake drain auger tool on the market. A 33-foot drain snake auger designed for removing stubborn hair clogs and blockages in your bathroom, kitchen, tub, and shower drains. Whether it's your kitchen sink choked with food residue or your bathroom tub struggling to drain because of hair buildup, you need a reliable solution, and that's where this heavy-duty plumbing snake comes in. The moment you hold this tool in your hand, you can feel its solid, heavy-duty construction. It's not flimsy plastic or cheap metal. This tool is made to last. Measuring 33 feet long, the cable gives you serious reach, enough to tackle most clogs deep inside household drains without the need for professional plumbing help. Using the auger is straightforward. Just insert the flexible steel spring into the drain and rotate the handle. The cable smoothly extends into the pipe, navigating through curves and bends effortlessly. When it encounters a clog, you feel the tension, and that's when you crank it, dig in, and either break the clog apart or pull it out. It also comes with a durable pair of gloves, which is a thoughtful addition. Let's face it, drain cleaning is not the cleanest job. The gloves protect your hands and provide extra grip as you handle the tool. There's also a convenient storage bag, making it easy to stow away without the mess. Now, one important note. While this tool works wonders on sinks, bathtubs, floor drains, and showers, it's not recommended for toilets. The cable is flexible, but not designed for the specific bends and materials used in most toilets. Stick to the drains it's designed for, and it will serve you well for years. Versatility is key. It's effective on kitchen sinks filled with grease and food waste, bathroom sinks tangled with hair, and even outdoor drains clogged with debris. If you've dealt with recurring clogs, you know how expensive it gets calling a plumber each time. This tool pays for itself in just one use. You're not just solving a clog, you're doing it safely, without pouring toxic substances down your pipes. In terms of performance, the auger winds and unwinds smoothly. The rotating handle gives you full control, and the sturdy grip keeps things stable. It's designed to be user-friendly even if you've never used a plumbing tool before. And at 33 feet, it's longer than many alternatives, making it ideal for deeper clogs. This is one of those tools every homeowner should have in their arsenal. Whether it's a routine maintenance task or an emergency situation, having this auger ready can save you time, stress, and a lot of money. So, if you're ready to take control of your home's plumbing without the cost and hassle of hiring a professional, this 33-foot drain snake auger is your go-to tool. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives and hands-on looks at the best tools, gadgets, and gear to make your life easier. See you in the next one.